Welcome Massive, I'm Ziba. Welcome back to my channel where I share with you what I do to live naturally on a budget. Today I will be sharing on one of the most powerful plants on the planet, the leaf of life, and how you can incorporate this plant into your hair care. Before I get into the video, I would like to remind you, if you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and if you have already subscribed, thank you for the love and support. So I picked and washed my leaf of life leaves, and I will be blending this. So this is just one of the methods that you can use to prepare your leaf of life. So I'll be using just a bit of water to break down the leaves to liquid. I need the juice to be very concentrated. Leaf of life has spiritual and physical healing properties. It has microbial agents that promote faster healing. We use this plant in Jamaica to treat the common cold or flu because of its anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that leaf of life also treats kidney stones, insomnia, and certain infections with no side effects. Using this plant regularly helps to prevent premature graying, as well as it promotes healthy scalp. Leaf of life has a host of benefits, and these are just a few. So basically, I'll be adding some pumpkin seed oil to the liquid. And I will just spray this on to my roots. And that's basically how you use leaf of life in your hair care. Quick and simple. Now there's another method that you can use. I will be doing that video shortly, so please ensure that you look out for that video. But in the meantime, this is an excellent way of incorporating leaf of life into your hair care regimen. Now that's all I will share for this video. Thank you for watching. And do go ahead and like the video if you found it interesting.